Hi, my name is Ella Meyer and I'm president and co-founder of Robot in 3 Days at Iowa State University. Today we are looking at the intake mechanism of our 2026 rebuilt robot Indy. For the intake mechanism, when our robot drives into a fuel, the compliant wheels will start running and then it will go up. And in order for it to not pop out of the back of the robot, we have another shaft here and it will go into the hopper to go out through the chute. For the actual components of our intake, we have 1/4-inch aluminum on both sides of it, and we used mills in order to create the holes in here to put our bearings, and then on the bottom shaft, we are using 2-inch compliant wheels in order to create that consistency when we put the fuel up and into the hopper of our robot. The intake mechanism can also flip up, so at the beginning of our matches, we are able to stay within our bumper perimeters, and then we can come back down once the match begins. When the shafts actually run, it is run by a Neo, which runs gears over here on the side of the intake mechanism in order for our shafts to turn to get the fuel into our hopper. In the future, to improve our intake mechanism, we would like to add a ramp into our robot, so it would come from the top of our drive base up into the hopper to create more consistency and less of the fuels getting stuck back here in the back of our robot.